Hi, this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. We are looking at the rest of Shadow's puppies. They're going to be 8 weeks old on Saturday. We have 3 black females available. We have, now this is that's a female. I think that's a female. Let me see where you are, buddy. Yep, that's a female. We have a female, a male, and I think we have 2 females. Let me see where you are. You are a female. Yep. So we have 2 females and 1 male. And 3 black females. So if anybody's interested in 2 females, they're between silver and charcoal. I'll just call them charcoal because they're like a lighter. They're not light silver, but they're a little darker silver. But they're not quite as dark as charcoal. So yeah, they're doing good. We have, and these are Shadow's puppies. If you're interested in any of these puppies, they have blue eyes. These have blue eyes. The black ones are gorgeous too. They're all females. So, we're really interested. Let me know. There's some great dogs here. Now, who's the father? The father is Hunter. And the mother is Shadow. So that's who we have here. Shadow is the mother, and they were born April 15th. So if you're interested in any of these puppies, let me know. Contact me, 845-421-7567. Or, they go in at the doggy door too. Or, you can send me an email at bowersaKCLabs@yahoo.com, bowersaKCLabs@gmail.com, or just leave a comment. Say, hey, I want a puppy. So my name's Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. So this is Rich Bowers signing off. And God bless.